everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your PC and you're on a budget, today's video is all about a fantastic option that combines performance, value, and cutting-edge technology, the AMD Ryzen 5 5600. AMD's Ryzen series has been dominating the market for years, and today, we're diving into the Ryzen 5 5600. This 6-core, 12-thread processor is built on the advanced 7nm architecture and offers incredible performance for both gaming and productivity tasks. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on content creation, the Ryzen 5 5600 promises to deliver. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the specs. The Ryzen 5 5600 runs at a base clock speed of 3.5 GHz, and with Precision Boost, it can ramp up to 4.4 GHz. That's a significant boost in performance. What's more impressive is the architecture. AMD Zen 3 cores built on a 7nm process, which gives you both better power efficiency and higher performance. The 32 MB of L3 cache is also a big plus, improving overall data retrieval and reducing latency, which helps your system run smoother, especially in demanding applications. Now, how does the Ryzen 5 5600 actually perform? In gaming, this processor punches above its weight. Whether you're running AA titles or lighter sports games, the 5600 delivers solid frame rates and smooth gameplay, especially when paired with a powerful GPU. For content creators, video editing, and rendering workflows, the 5600's 12 threads are a huge advantage, making multitasking and productivity a breeze. Whether you're streaming, editing videos, or working on complex tasks, one of the best things about the Ryzen 5 5600 is its AM for socket compatibility. If you already have a Ryzen-based motherboard, chances are this CPU will just drop right in with a BIOS update. Whether you're upgrading from an older Ryzen 3000 series processor or even from Intel, this CPU is a great choice for a mid-tier build. Now, one important thing to note. This model of the Ryzen 5600 does not include a stock cooler, so if you're planning to get this CPU, make sure you have an aftermarket cooler in mind, or you're building in a case that already has good airflow. This is definitely something to keep in mind for your build. To wrap it up, the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 is a stellar choice for anyone looking to build or upgrade their PC. Its combination of high clock speeds, efficient architecture, and solid multi-core performance makes it ideal for both gaming and productivity. Just remember, it doesn't come with a stock cooler, so plan accordingly. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more tech reviews, unboxings, and build guides, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. And, as always, drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you're planning a build with the Ryzen 5 5600. Let's talk specs.